Hi, kindergarten students. Remember, we are learning about sizes, and we looked at the bears in the book the other day, and now let's think some more about biggest, and smallest. So I'm going to look around my room, you look around your house, and just say out loud things that are big. Do I see some big things? I see a window, a door, cupboards, chairs. Those are big. What did you see? Some of the same? Okay. All right. How about smallest things in your room? Oh, I see little tacks on my bulletin board. An ant, some chalk, some pencils are pretty small. All right, then let's go to this page 4. Which is the biggest? Color. So let's look in this row, for the first row. Which one is the biggest? Oh, I think the biggest is one of the easiest things to find because it's bigger. You can just see that it's bigger. So what did they want us to do? Color. So color the biggest. Now, I would use a crayon for you because you don't want it to go through and mess up the other side. I have to use marker on this plastic. Then go to the next row. Biggest. Oh, they put these in order, didn't they, on this one? Color the biggest hat, not the medium, not the smallest, the biggest hat. And then go this way. Color the biggest shirt. Sorry, I had it right. I moved it too quickly. There we go. The biggest shirt, the one that takes up the most space. This way and this way. Because it's big. Okay, color the biggest. Then go back and look for the smallest, which is the smallest. Circle. Circle the smallest. Now, I think sometimes small and medium are hard to see which one's the smallest and which one is medium-sized. So if you look at these two, they're close, aren't they? So how do you figure it out? Well, sometimes you just make that size with your finger and then try to keep that same size as you move over to compare it to this one. Ooh, it is a little bit smaller, isn't it? When they're not right next to each other, it can be hard to see, so use your fingers if that helps you. So what do? We circle the smallest. Then go down to the hats. Again, you can use your finger if that helps you to figure out which one is medium and which one is small. Doesn't take up as much space. Circle the smallest. And the shirt, they're close, but I think you'll be able to see. Circle the smallest. Then go to the page right next to it, which is page 5. And we get to draw this time. Lesson 2, comparing sizes. Draw. So look around your space and find something that is bigger than a ball. Bigger than a ball. Maybe you have a ball and you can compare, or you just kind of know what size a ball is. In my space, the window is bigger than a ball. The door is bigger than a ball. My pumpkin is even bigger than most balls because I have a big pumpkin. So draw something that is bigger. Could you draw an ant in here? No. Why not? Because it's smaller than a ball. ants are small. Could you draw this marker? It depends on the size of the ball, doesn't it? We're probably thinking of those soccer balls, playground soccer balls. Let's use that size as our sample and go bigger than that. And then after you do that one, you do something that is smaller than a flower. Now, flowers are kind of small, so you have to find something even smaller than a flower. Those blocks that we use in math are smaller than most flowers. Some flowers are teeny, teeny, tiny, but we're kind of thinking of like the regular most flowers. The lid of a marker is usually smaller than a flower. What else might you see? Maybe you have a pencil that got really small. You used it so much and it's smaller than a flower. Or a tack. I have a lot of tacks because I tack things up on the bulletin board. Maybe you have those, maybe you don't. That tack is smaller. So take that picture, draw that picture, and then take a picture of these 2 pages and send it to me. No video for this one. Just a picture. Great. Get to it.